Hello all. Today we will study type A chopper or first quadrant chopper. In chopper circuit, unidirectional power semiconductor devices are used. If these semiconductor devices are arranged appropriately, then chopper can work in any of the four quadrants. The chopper circuits are classified according to their working in any of these four quadrants. In this session, we will study working of first quadrant chopper. It is also known as type A chopper. The circuit diagram of first quadrant chopper or type A chopper is shown here. The power semiconductor devices which is used as a chopper is indicated as a switch in this circuit. Whenever this switch is on, this will connect a load to the source, and with this a current starts flowing from source towards the load. The direction of the current flowing through load is indicated by arrow. Now this particular direction of current is considered to be the positive direction of current flowing through the load, or it is considered as positive current flowing through the load. Now when this chopper is on or when this switch is on, as the load is going to be connected to the source, so the output voltage occurring across the load, which is V0, is equal to Vs. So output voltage across the load V0, it is equal to Vs. Now when this chopper is turned off, suddenly the current flowing through this circuit will try to reduce to zero. So with this, the current flowing through this inductor will also try to decrease. Now this decrease in the magnitude of current flowing through inductor will produce induced EMF, which is having opposite polarity. So for this terminal of an inductor becomes positive and this terminal of an inductor becomes negative, and opposite polarity EMF will start occurring across the inductor. Now for this voltage across an inductor, a freewheeling diode, it will get forward biases, and this freewheeling diode, it starts conducting. Now with this, the energy stored in the inductor, it starts freewheeling through a path from this freewheeling diode. So a current starts flowing from inductor through load through freewheeling diode back towards the inductor. With this, the current starts gradually decreasing. But if we see the direction of current flowing through this, through load, when this chopper is in off condition, then it is still the same as that was during the on condition of a chopper. So during off condition of a chopper, the direction of current is positive. Now during this off state of a chopper, as this freewheeling diode, it is short circuiting the load. So the voltage across the load, it becomes zero. If we try to find the average voltage across the load, then we will observe that average voltage across the load becomes positive, and the average current flowing through the load becomes positive. And hence, if we try to plot this characteristic between V0 and I0, then we'll obtain this graph in the first quadrant as average output voltage and average output current both are positive. Now in this type of a chopper, power always flows from source towards load, as the characteristic which is plotted or a graph which is plotted between V0 and I0 is obtained in a first quadrant. That's why this chopper is also called as first quadrant chopper. or it is also called as type A chopper. Now let us see the equation of the output voltage. Now when this chopper is on, at that time output voltage V0 is equal to Vs. And when chopper is off, output voltage becomes equal to 0. Now the total chopping period T, it is given as on time of a chopper plus off time of a chopper. So from the output voltage waveform, we can write the equation for output voltage V0 as 1 upon T integration from 0 to T on Vs dt. So when we integrate this equation, we'll get the output voltage V0 as Vs into T on upon T. Now in this equation, T on upon T, it is indicating the duty cycle of a chopper. So it is specified as D. So we are getting the output voltage equation V0 as D into Vs, where D is the duty cycle of a chopper and it is defined as the ratio of on time of a chopper to the total chopping period. Now, in this equation, we can vary T on from 0 to total chopping period T. As we gone varying T on from 0 to total chopping period T, the duty cycle, it also get varied from 0 to 1. And with this, the output voltage, it will also get varied from 0 to Vs. Now in this chopper, the output voltage obtained, it is always less than or equal to Vs, and that's why it is also called as step down chopper. So this is all about type A chopper or first quadrant chopper. In this chopper, as the output voltage is always less than or equal to source voltage, that's why it is also called as step down chopper. So thank you.